Kasi ako eh, kaya Tagalog ako.
Oh, 1 point!
It's your card.
Yeah. Ano kasi?
English.
Hindi yung minimension.
Wait. Let's give him a chance. You can answer it in Tagalog and then later you can translate.
Okay, go. Go.
Ito po yung camera po. Diyan po tayo marap. No. In Tagalog first. Then translate it in English.
Good evening.
Because we have a visitor. The producer. I recognize I acknowledge the presence of Mr. Ivan Dorschner and Mrs. Dorschner. Nag-blush siya. Oh, that's a joke, man. Give me a kiss, man. Please look straight at the camera. There's our camera. No, don't play because that might be deduction.
Dangerous.
Deduction po.
No, this is a question and answer.
Ano? Game.
How big is your love? Is it big like that or big like that?
Sa akin, hindi naman mention ang love.
Translate. In English. In English. Wait,
Si Joe.
Naiiyak ba yun?
Excuse po.
Wait lang, he's thinking. Go. Just say anything you want.
And everything. How deep is your love? If you cannot teach, how can we live? The Bible says.
Gago si Joe.
Deep like an ocean.
Gate from hell. Pinakailalim ng mapa.
So deep, baby, so deep. Ating berry, sino, so deep.
Wala pa nakaka-mention ako pa lang. Hindi. Yun.
Next question.
Oh, how about our audience? Yo, you.
Ano kayo
Last question.
Second question.
Mr. Dorschner.
Mike. Give him the mic. Yeah, player. We have lots of problems.
Why? Ano mo yung school natin?
We have lots of problems. But my question is, how can you face your problem if your problem is your face?
No, he's handsome. Why is he
I know.
handsome?
Hindi, ito.
If.
Ito na lang.
Sumagin yung
Go.
English.
Oh, there's a text message. Why don't we make it a 5 question?
There should be a translator.
Yes. Okay. A translator. There will be a translator. Because our producer said that it was very great to see you here, Mr. Adonis 2012. 2012 is the end of the world. I forgot. 5 questions. Yeah. Oh, how can you face the problem if the problem is to face in Tagalog? Paano ko problemahin ang mga problema kung pagmumukha mo ang problema?
Charming. Ako magka-violation.
May bukas pa.
Ganito po yung pagsabi ng pagmumukha. Pagmumukha ko! Pagmumukha ko! So yun po ay kasabihan na hindi po maganda. Alam po natin. Paano nyo po pagtatanggol ang mga sabihin natin?
Alam mo, makontento ka. ka kung anong meron ka.
Wait, ganyan yung background song natin, bro.
Hindi. Baka pinagpa-practice tayo kung wala ka naman magawa. Tapos na yung lyrics, di ba?
Di pa tayo matulog? May ano, diba? May 10 p.m.